Do you want to play your favorite PC games with your Xbox controller, but you don't know how? You're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox controller to your PC step by step so that you can start playing fast and easy. So sometimes using a keyboard, it's just too hard or it's not fun. So your hands get tired on the keys and it's confusing. So, when you use an Xbox controller, gaming feels smooth, it feels exciting. So don't miss out just because you think it's hard to set it up. It's easier than you think to set it up. So first you're going to grab your Xbox controller, you're going to plug it into your PC using a USB cable. If it connects right away, like magic. Second, if you want to go wireless, press the Xbox button and then hold the small sync button until it flashes. On your PC, go to your Bluetooth settings and you're going to click Add a Device. Third thing now, for Windows, update your drivers by opening the device manager. You're going to find Xbox Peripherals, okay, and update. Fourth thing, install the Xbox Accessories app from the Microsoft Store. It helps to check if your controller is working right. Fifth thing is you're going to test it out by opening a game like Minecraft or Roblox, and you're going to start playing with full control. And if this helped, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.